Somewhere in the world there is a father and a mother, and the father is a